Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Look Fantastic box for you, and as you can see, it does not look so good. Okay, let's open it. I hate these boxes so much. Oh my god. Okay, there's once again no QR code in, as we know, and I already know I'm not going to use these. So these are the Look Fantastic no crease clips. So we have 2 times, is that turtle shell? Or what do you call it? Tortoise. And then 2 just black. So I will not use these because I put my hair in a bun and then, you know, do my makeup and masking like that. So these I will not use. Then this is glass. And there's like 1 sheet of tissue paper. And you saw how the box looked. That's all I'm saying. So this is the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. Let's see what that smells like. Oh, I think we had that one before. Someone is doing construction work. I don't know what neighbor, but if you hear that, I'm very sorry. So this smells very, very fresh, like citrusy, if that makes sense. Apply 2 capfuls to your bath or smooth it over your body before showering. I mean, I have so many shower gels. I think I have like 8 or 9 shower gels. And I told myself that I will not repurchase any until I have like 2. And now I got another one. But it's okay. I can deal with it. I will definitely keep that one. Then, oh, please don't let this be a mascara. Of course it's a mascara. I just bought a new one and I have not. Oh god. So this is the color Raven and it's by Illamasqua, the Illamasqua mascara. I'm not a huge fan of mascara just like this in the box. But it seems to be new and unused. So this is what the wand looks like. I might do a short. It smells okay. Nobody told me I had powder there. Jesus Christ. I might do a short because like I said, I have 2 new mascaras now. 2 short videos just to see how they look before and after. But a mascara is always nice to have, and it's Raven, so I would assume it's black. I feel like that's a universal shade that a lot of people would use, so that's good. Then, oh, Olaplex number 9 Bone Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. Antioxidant-rich serum improves manageability, smooths and protects all hair types. Oh god, you could not have written this even smaller, right? Apply a small amount to damp, towel-dried hair, working upward from ends to roots. Add more as needed. Air dry for soft texture, blow dry for smooth finish. Diffuse for waves or curls. I might use that today because, you know, I only wash my hair every other day. Today is hair wash days, so I might try this out. But then again, I have other products that I'm still using. You know, I'm struggling a bit because obviously these are small sizes. I mean, the mascara is full size, I guess. This also seems smaller. Whenever I get a Look Fantastic box, I want to use them up immediately because they're very small. They don't take up much space in the shower or on the counter or wherever we have the products. And I feel like it's such a small amount, it should be doable and easy to use up rather quickly. But then I'm reminded, hey, I still have a lot of other products that you're using. Like I said, I have like 8 shower gels. So why do I have the urge to use this one now when I'm in the middle of using one and still have a lot of others waiting for me? Yeah, no idea. But this, I'll try that. Then the second last product, oh, this is nice, is the Beauty Pro Warming Eye Mask. Relaxing Chamomile Self-Warming Eye Mask. I never had a self-warming eye mask before. Oh my god, okay. Unfold the mask and gently tear apart to the 2 ear loops. Open the ear loops, blah blah blah. And then just put them over and then wait 20 minutes. That might be so nice. I might use this before going to sleep because I feel like I'm just relaxing use. Maybe I do it, I don't know when I will do it, but I will definitely try this out. This is nice. The last product already. Can you believe this? Dr. Paw. Oh, no, not again. I don't like this brand. Oh my god, Dr. Paw. Multi-purpose lip mask. No. Absolutely not. No. I'm not gonna use this. No. I don't like the texture of it. I mean, it is unused. And I can't really smell anything, but I'm not gonna use this. No. I'll put this into the public bookshelf because yes, you can sell beauty items on Vinted, for example, but who would guarantee me and you that this is not used, because there's no plastic around it, there's no seal, there's nothing. So I will put that into the public bookshelf. These probably as well. There's a new public bookshelf, I've told you that. Like, they took it away for a few months and now it's back, and it's one that you can actually walk in and you have like 2 sides full of books. These 2 products will go, and then the others I will definitely try out. I will also do a short with this and the other mascara. I've got the other mascara first, so I have to use that one, but I'm still using this one. It's a mess, it's a mess. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried any of these products out. I think, you know what, I think I might do this one today, just to relax a little. But this is nice to have. And the other 2, no, we're not going to talk about those. Okay, to remind myself to write down every single product that I get, because I have a list here. These ones are the ones that I got this year and used up this year, and the others that I only used up this year but I got ages ago. So I'm already a few pages in, so I have to write it down, and then whenever I finish a makeup product, you will see it in my endless videos. If I finish another product up, you will see that in my Instagram stories, which I will link down below in case you want to check it out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if not already. And it's the next one.